We need to improve our treatment to them, but this is a Olympic event. Don't politicalize it. And many people, many foreign people, Western people, don't really understand what Tibet is, what is going in Tibet.
What is happening in Tibet? Tell me.
We are improving their economic condition as well as social conditions, and we free them from slavery system in 1950s.
Am I out here? Yeah. Because China's committed absolute atrocities.
Dalai Lama is a wolf in a sheepskin. Do you know what that means?
No,
in sheepskin.
Let's not. If you're really concerned with China and Chinese people, you should study a little bit more about Chinese history. Go back to Yuan Dynasty, Ming Dynasty, Qing Dynasty. Tibet is always part of China.
What happened is Dalai Lama people, they kill the people. They kill their own people. They dig the ice. They peel the people's skin. This is true. And China, we freed the Tibet people. That's the truth. But not many people know that.
In Tibet, those Chinese people are making lots of money there because they're doing business, versus Tibetans, they most just practice religions. So some Tibetan people hate those Chinese business people.
When I was kids, my parents, everyone told us we need to love Tibet. We send the most excellent people to go to Tibet to support and to give them education. We bring a lot of money there, people there, and we love Tibet.
I support my country, support my government. It's not perfect, but I still support it. The reason is, just go there and see how many China people just come here for no reason. There must be some reason for that, right?
Right.
So we're not original. We're not just follow other people. We have our thinking.
We are Chinese. We all grew up there. We received education there, but we also received education here. We work here, so I think it's more fair for us to speak up. That's why we're here today. We love what's happening in Beijing, and you can tell a lot of people they probably get paid on the other side to go to the street and say things they don't even understand what they are saying.
I hope more and more people can go there, can really go into China and see what's going on there. And just to make their own judgment, to see how the people's life there and how the people like really behave. Right. Instead of like looking at China through Hollywood movie or some of the CNN news. Right. I'm not saying that they are not really showing China, but they probably are just only showing part of China, a very small piece of China.